Introduce yourself. Introduce yourself. Your name. I will tell you.
Are you recording it?
Yes.
Her Excellency, Professor Mrs. Doreen Osazua Yusuf, State of Ireland, City of Alberta, Canada. I came to the building agents, the milestone building agents. Yesterday was an agricultural education. Today is the grand finale of the building agents. We are expecting the queen to emerge tonight. We are so grateful to Dr. Ali and all the organizers of this milestone project 2023, taking place right now in Dubai. Not Dubai, precisely, is having Amaja. Where is this? Ajman. Ajman is 1 hour away from Dubai. We are also grateful. At least over 30 countries are represented in this beauty pageant. All the models came from different parts of the world: Canada,